Once an event has been created with start and end times, click Optional and use the Repeats tab to configure a repeating event. As an example, by selecting a weekly repeat, you have the option to select the days of the week to repeat the event. Repeat Every determines the frequency. Entering a 2 here would repeat on the selected days every 2 weeks, for example. Monthly repeats can be configured by the event date or by which day in the month the event falls on. Until controls when the repeated event should be removed from the schedule and no longer show on displays. Recurring events can be completely removed from the schedule by right-clicking the event from the calendar view or from the grid view, using the row menu and selecting Delete. Alternatively, you can remove just one instance of a recurring event by using the calendar view. Locate the recurring event by date you wish to remove. Right-click on the event and click Delete. Select to remove this instance only, or the entire recurring event. From the Optional menu, use the Reminder tab to create a set of notifications to help you keep track of your schedules. Reminders can be sent to the Notification Center of the CMS or emailed to the address as set for the user profile.